Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock GD010. And make sure you are in the timekeeping mode, but if you're not sure, just press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitch beeping sound. That one. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left, and you will get that the second is now flashing or blinking. We can reset the second by pressing the start button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button, and we are setting this one, the daylight saving. If you want to change the setting, just press the start button. So now it is on, press again, now it is off. I will set as off for this watch. And then press again the mode button, and now is the city or the time zone. You can use these two buttons. The reset will move to the west side of the map, okay? And then the start button will move to the east side. So this one I'm going to use BKK because it's the same time zone as my city. And then press again the mode button, and now is the hour. You can use these two buttons. The reset will decrease, it's like counterclockwise, okay? And the start button will increase, so it's like the clockwise. Okay, now press the mode button, and now is the minute. Same thing with these two buttons. Reset will decrease, and start stop, this button will increase the number. Again mode button, and now is the time format. This is 24-hour format, and if you press the start button, it will change. This one is the 12-hour format, 2 p.m. or this one 14. So I will choose this one for now, and then press again the mode button, and now is the year. You can use these two buttons, so reset will decrease and start stop will increase. Again mode button, and now is the month. Same thing. The reset button will decrease and start button will increase. Again mode button, same thing. This one is for the date. Reset will decrease and start stop will increase. Okay, again mode button, and now is the length of the backlight. You have two options. This one is 3 seconds and this one is 1.5 seconds. So this means the backlight will stays on for 1.5 seconds, or meaning faster, but it will save the battery more. And this one 3 seconds, meaning longer backlight, but it will drain the battery faster. And I will choose 1.5, so this one. And then press again the mode button, and now back to the second for the setting. And if you're done with the setting, just press the adjust button, and now we exit from the adjust mode, and done. You have set the time, date, and so on for the basic setting of this watch, Casio G-Shock GD010. Anyway, I will also make a more detailed tutorial for the setting and operations. Just wait for a few days, and yes, that's all. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.